In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make your first $1,000 from affiliate marketing using only free traffic. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to promote affiliate links and products without spending any money on ads. I will show you guys the best platforms, free platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate links and how you can get started with them. Then I will show you guys how you can create content that attract clicks and drive traffic to your offers and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm still doing this business. I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing, and in just last 15 days I made $11,572 in commissions using free traffic, and last month I made $17,975. This is my invoice and it's paid, as you can see over here. Okay, you guys can see here, this is my invoice and it's paid in this date. So the commission that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, in the first days of the next month, and so on. This is how this business works and I will explain more later. Okay, so let's get back to our affiliate account dashboard. As you can see, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one is you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, it's easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link over here and you need to sign up using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Okay, keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you guys can check this website, you can scroll down and you can check this website to get idea and to get more information and how much you will earn for each service. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying some good commissions. Okay, anyway, go back here and just click on join now. And here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You guys can see the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is easy. You just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username and password and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have websites, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good services that you will start promoting on Facebook. This is exactly how you can make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing using free traffic. So let's go first. Go and open your Facebook account like this. Open your Facebook homepage. Okay, just open your Facebook homepage like this and click on the search over here and search for video editing. Search for this keyword, video editing. Okay, pay close attention. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. Okay, we need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that are about video editing. So for public groups, it's fine. You guys can use those public groups even if you didn't join those groups. But for private groups, you need to click on join so you can join those groups and you can start using those groups to promote your affiliate links with free traffic. Pay close attention. Let's pick this group, for example, this one, video editing USA, UK, Canada. I'm gonna click on this one. You will be directly in this group. If you scroll down, you will find people here. Okay, let me show you. If you, like I said, if you scroll down, you will find people here searching for video editor. You guys can see need video editor. If we scroll down, here is another one, Jennifer. I need a video editor, no experience required. Let's scroll down. Here is another person, need a video editor. If we scroll down, here is another one, video editor needed. If you are interested, kindly inbox me. You guys can see people here searching for video editor. They need a video editor. So for you, what you will do, you will go back to Fiverr. Go back to this Fiverr homepage, okay, and click on the search and search for video editing. Okay, search for this service. Pay close attention. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who provide this service as video editors. And what you need to do is you just need to choose good seller who provide good service. How we can choose good sellers? Always focus on level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers are good sellers, okay? They are in this, for example, level 2 top rated and pro sellers. Those sellers are the good sellers that you can use to promote this service as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. So I'm gonna choose, for example, like this one. This one is good. You guys can see this one. Level 2 seller has over 1000 reviews, which is really good. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, I will click on this one. Just click on the service that you want to use and you will be directly in this seller profile page. This seller has 8 orders in queue, over 1000 reviews, meaning that over 1000 people paid for this service, for video editing service. You guys can see here people keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good video editing service for his customers. That's why they will keep coming back. They will buy more and more. Okay, they will, this is the only business that will be never saturated. Okay, and it's still working. You can still make so much money with this business. So here is what you will do. You will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools like this and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook groups. And this is exactly what we will do. We will go back to this group and people here searching for video editors. Okay? So here is what you will do. You will go back to this group. Let's pick this one as an example. I will click on his name and I will click on message. Okay? So I will send a professional message to this person with my affiliate link. This person is searching for a video editor and people who are interested, they can inbox him. Okay, inbox her or inbox him anyway. So here is what you will do. Click here and how you can create a professional and friendly message. So we will use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT AI, click here on message and ask him create a professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups who search for video editors to buy my editing video editing service. Okay, I need to put here from my link. Okay, so let me see. Anyway, here you go. You guys can see that ChatGPT will create a professional and good message. You guys can see here. Feel free to check out some of my work here, and we will put, for example, here we will put our affiliate link. Okay, so he can check our profile. So I will copy this message like this. I will go back to Facebook and I will put this message here. Okay, and here you guys can see here we need to put our affiliate link here. I will delete this. So what I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see this option in your account, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, like I said before, I have been doing this business for almost 5 years, and I still have this option, as you can see. So for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it a short link. I'm gonna search for bit.ly. You guys can search for this website if you want to make your affiliate links short links. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's for free, of course, it's for free. And after you finish, this will be your home page. Click on create new link, put your affiliate link here, and click on create your link. And here you go, you will get a short affiliate link like this one, looking good and professional. And go and put your affiliate link here, so this person can check this website, and click on send. And here you go, your message will be sent to this person who search for a video editor. You guys can see this is a professional message. I saw your post about looking for a video editor, and I'd love to help. I specialize in list of your experience. You guys need to edit this, okay? List of your expertise brief, like e-catching, edit for YouTube, social media, reels. You can edit this message, okay? And here is what I offer. You guys can see here, and feel free to check out some of my work here. So this person, if he is still interested and searching for video editor, he will click on your link to check your profile. You are an affiliate marketer, so you will talk to those people like you have a team, okay? Like you have a team and you are providing this services about video editing. So this person, if he click, he will be directly in this seller profile page. He will see that the seller has 8 orders in queue, over 1,000 reviews. People keep coming back. This like just like those things building trust, okay? So those people will trust this seller and they can buy this service from you. That's why I said before, you need to focus on good sellers, okay? Also good prices. You need to choose sellers who provide good prices and good service. And here you go, if they buy this service from you, you will earn commissions. And that's it. This is exactly how we can promote your affiliate links using free traffic. And this is how you can make your first $1,000 from affiliate marketing using free traffic. I made over $10,000 from those Facebook groups in the beginning, okay? And they are still working. If you go to those Facebook groups, every single day you will find new people searching for video editors. Not just video editors, people search for logo design, people search for thumbnails, people search for Shopify website, how to create Shopify website, how to make logo, how to edit videos, and so much more. You can make so much money from those Facebook groups. It's free traffic. You can find people here interested to buy those services from you. This is if you are a beginner and you are looking for how you can make your first commissions with affiliate marketing, you need to focus on Facebook groups. You can make so much money. It's all about the skills and it's all about how you can promote those services. I show you guys how we can find people who are interested to buy this service from you. I show you how we can find good sellers that provide this service. So what's left is your work. Do you will go and work or not? Or do you will make another excuses in the comments? Oh, it's not working. How it's not working? And those people searching for, I need video editor. And people here on Fiverr provide video editing. Thousands of people provide this service. You see how many people here provide video editing, and you see how many people here searching for a video editor every day. Video editor needed. If you are interested, kindly inbox me, okay? If you don't want to send a message directly to those people, you guys can comment, okay? Comment and ask them to reach out to you, or you can click here on write something and you can upload a picture about this service and put this message here, okay? A message that will be related about your service, that you are providing video editing service, and put your picture and your link, okay? Or put just this text, and people who are interested and they will reach out to you. Then you can send them your affiliate link. This is exactly how I promote my affiliate links on Facebook groups when I started this business, and this is exactly how I made my over $10,000 just from those Facebook groups, just selling those services as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. And that's it. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me inside my course. You will get access to all my profitable services, how you can use Facebook and YouTube and Pinterest and TikTok and Instagram to promote your affiliate links just using free traffic, organic free traffic, how you can create content and so much more. And that's it. See you in my next videos.